Hey there, today I wanted to share with you this gorgeous watch that was sent to me. This product is available on Amazon. Before I open it up, I wanted to give you a closer look at the box that it comes in. It is seriously so pretty and so giftable. Just look at this gorgeous watch. Okay, this thing is so elegant. All right, so included in this watch, you have an extra battery, which is so fantastic. I love the slim design. It is so elegant and so pretty. It is made of a genuine leather material. It's got a nice slim design. It's got a really pretty stone border going all the way around the watch itself. And the face is so simple and so pretty. It's got gemstones on some of the numbers, and then it has some very simple gold markings to indicate the 12, 3, 6, and 9. I have it on and it is so comfortable. It feels like I'm not wearing anything at all on my wrist. There is no ticking at all. It is completely silent. This is a very high quality watch. I love how simple and elegant it is. I love that it combines the texture of this beautiful leather with these really elegant gold and stone finishes. It has a lot of adjustments that you can make on the size, so I feel like it's going to fit a large number of people. So if you're looking for a beautiful watch, you should definitely check this one out.